Yeah. Why do I feel like I'm begging you to still love me? I remember when it came easy from your heart. I used to see it every time you looked at me. Now I'm searching, I don't know where to start. I hear your voice, but something feels different. You say the words, but they don't feel the same. Am I holding on to something that is fading, or are you the one slowly walking away? Tell me the truth, even if it breaks me. I can't keep standing in this place alone. Tell me what to do. Do I walk away or should I stay with you? I'm giving all I have and still I feel confused. If you don't want my love, then tell me straight. Tell me what to do. Am I still the one you see your future through? I would give my life and everything for you. Why do you keep pushing me away? When did the silence start growing between us? When did your touch stop reaching for mine? I've been trying to fix what I don't understand. Why you keep drawing invisible lines? Do you still care when I'm hurting beside you? Do you notice when I break down inside? Are you staying just because it's familiar? Or are you already saying goodbye? I need an answer, I'm tired of guessing. I can't keep losing myself like this. Tell me what to do. Do I walk away or should I stay with you? I'm giving all I have and still I feel confused. If you don't want my love, tell me straight. Tell me what to do. And I'm still the one you see your future through. I will give my life and everything for you. Why do you keep pushing me away? I don't wanna beg for your attention. I don't wanna chase what should be real. Love is not something I should be questioning. I deserve to know the way you feel. If I'm the woman you once said you needed, why am I standing here feeling denied? If you've already let it go in your heart, why am I the only one still trying? Do you still love me the way you say? Or are those words just something you repeat? Do you see me when you look at me now? Or am I someone you no longer need? If I walk away, will you come find me? Or will you finally feel relief? Am I fighting for us by myself? Or is there something you're afraid to sleep? Tell me what to do. Do I walk away or should I stay with you? I'm giving all I have and still I feel confused.